low 20s. But the wind chill's pretty high up there. Thankfully we're on a snowmobile trail right now. But we're gonna cut off of that pretty soon. Snow's gonna be deep though when we get off. Hopefully there's a bit of a trail already cut through. We'll find out. Go to the snowmobiles. What do you call them? No, you don't call them snowmobiles. Yeah, what do you call them? I thought you called them something else.
Well, I thought it was annoying.
No, you call them something. I thought you called ski-doos. I thought you called them ski-doos.
A ski-doo is on the water.
Oh, never mind. All right. Where the trail starts getting steeper. Looks like the snowmobiles actually did go up, which is actually nice because it made a trail for us. Oh, we just made it up to the top.
Wow.
Looks like it's snowing over there. Got you. Yeah. Wow, that's so deep.
It's pretty deep.
Yeah.
There's a church. My foot just sank in.
What's that say?
Yeah, Tony Boom.
You better get going. I'm gonna catch you. She's going down.